Tired of redrawing the same shapes in Draw.io? Learn the keyboard shortcuts to cut, copy, and paste objects instantly. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use Ctrl+X, Ctrl+C, and Ctrl+V to manipulate objects in your Jira diagrams. So let us jump right in. Start by logging into your Jira account. This is where all your project work lives, and where we will be doing our diagram editing. Go ahead and sign in like you normally would. Now, navigate to your diagram. You will want to open the specific Jira issue or Confluence page that contains the Draw.io diagram you need to work on. Click into that diagram to open the editor. Once it loads, you are ready to start manipulating objects. Now, let us cut an object. This is the shortcut you will use when you want to remove something from one spot and put it somewhere else. Click on the shape or object you want to remove. Then, press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and press the X key. Just like that, the object disappears from the diagram. But it is not gone forever. It is now sitting in your clipboard, waiting for you to paste it somewhere else. Next up, copying is similar, but with one key difference. Instead of removing the object completely, you are making a duplicate of it. So click on the object you want to copy. Then press and hold the Ctrl key and press the C key. You will not see anything happen visually, but the object has been stored in your clipboard. Nothing has been removed from the diagram. Finally, we get to paste it. This is where the magic happens. Press and hold the Ctrl key again and press the V key. A fresh copy of that object will appear right on your diagram, usually offset slightly from the original. You can then click and drag it to wherever you need it. Now here is where things get really efficient. You can also cut multiple objects at once. Instead of clicking one shape, hold down the Shift key and click on several different shapes. Or you can click and drag a selection box around a group of objects. Once you have everything selected, press Ctrl+X. All of those objects get removed from the diagram and stored in your clipboard together. Similarly, you can copy multiple objects. Select your group of shapes just like we did before. Then press Ctrl+C. This stores a copy of every selected object. And you can paste them all at once. Press Ctrl+V, and the entire group of copied or cut objects appears exactly as they were arranged. This saves a ton of time when you are working with complex diagrams and need to reuse a section or move it around. In my experience working with Draw.io inside Jira and Confluence, these few keyboard shortcuts are the ones I use the absolute most. They turn a frustrating, click-heavy process into something that feels smooth and natural. You stop fighting the tool and start focusing on actually building your diagram. So go ahead and give these shortcuts a try the next time you are editing a diagram. Once you get the hang of them, you will wonder how you ever worked without them. Thanks for watching.